8 camping inventions on an entirely new level. We are presenting you 8 incredible camping inventions that will blow your mind. Disco bed. Our 8th incredible camping invention is disco bed. This is an incredible invention that provides you comfortable sleep when you are out of your house. Camping becomes more comfortable and easier with disco bed and its modular disc bed system. If you are camping in a far-fledged area or a car, you can rely on it to give a comfortable rest to your backbone. Disco bed to help you rest up for your next adventure. The disco bed can be used in a tent or added to an RV for an extra space and sleeping option. You can set it outside of the tent to enjoy the beautiful sky under the stars. Orland Camp Stove. Our 7th incredible camping invention is Orland Camp Stove. Orland Camp Stove is the premier portable wood-burning campstone for luxury camping, extreme cold, and long-term use. The Orland Camp Stove is packed with features to maximize efficiency, performance, and style. Designed with tempered glass on 3 sides for easy fire monitoring and ample romantic light. An adjustable air wash and air intake bath will allow you to easily control the burn rate and heat output. Extra large firebox means you have to refuel less often. Includes custom storage box, flue pipe kit with heat shield, fire brick lining and sealed gaskets. Compatible with all canvas tents. Easily assembled to top exit with a stove jack or side exit through a window with the included Sibley base for Bell tents. Handmade in Denmark. Orland Company has been inventing equipment for camping for many years. This tent stove will provide luxury to your camping in a rainy or cold season. Imagine bringing the atmosphere of the campfire into the tent. Tree tents. Our number 6 incredible camping invention is tree tents. These tree tents evolve. The installed tree tents are completely banned, so you can use this 3-person Tencel Stingray tree tent for your camping or focus study. This tent can accommodate 3 adults and their gear in absolute comfort. This tree tent affords an incredible amount of versatility and space for any type of camping situation. Bumper dumper. Our number 5th incredible camping invention is the bumper dumper. The bumper dumper is a mounted portable toilet and is used for a variety of sanitation situations. It can be used anywhere, whether it is a fishing, camping, off-road, forestry, or outdoor construction sites, you get the gist. You can easily store bumper dumper at your home in the event of any disasters such as hurricanes or earthquakes. It is lightweight and easy to use. Bumper dumper steel can support over 350 pounds in weight, and it comes with a standardized size seat. You can change the size of the seat as per your choice. It comes with a 5-gallon bucket. It is a must-have item in the event you are in a situation where restrooms are far away or you engage in outdoor activity. GoSun Fusion. Our number 4th incredible camping invention is GoSun Fusion. The GoSun Fusion is the world's first solar oven. Amazingly, it can also cook without sun. A hybrid solar plus electronic oven that can cook during the season when cooking is not possible, especially if you are camping outside in a rainy season. GoSun Fusion runs with sunshine or 12 volts from your car, boat, or power bank. It can reach a temperature of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It can bake, steam, or cook anything in the day or at night. It has a weight of around 14 pounds and dimensions of 23 inches by 13 inches by 13 inches, capacity of 145 ounces with a 101-ounce cooking tray. Now you can cook a meal for as many as 5 people within an hour. Pack Light. Our 3rd incredible camping invention is Pack Light. The Pack Light Halo is a high-performing and inflatable lantern that provides 50 lumens of bright LED light on high. It can run up to 10 hours on the low mode when fully charged without any need for extra batteries. The most amazing thing, it can be charged by the built-in solar panel in approximately 10 hours of direct outdoor sunlight. It measures 4 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches when inflated and packs down to less than 1 inch in depth. It has a red indicator for charging and an adjustable strap to make it easy to hang in your tent or strap to your pack when on the go. It is a waterproof, dustproof, and durable lantern. Product details of the solar chargeable LED light are: 1. Waterproof and floats, inflatable, and it is portable. Number 2. Solar energy rechargeable, high efficiency, eco-friendly. 3. Suitable for hiking, camping, emergencies, hurricanes, and outages. 4. Red LED charging indicator for brightness settings. 5. Recharges in 6 hours, 12 hours max runtime per charge. 6. 2-year storage life. 7. 50 lumens adjustable strap. 9. Efficient in overcast conditions. This is an incredible light, makes an ideal light for just about anywhere, including the campsite, backyard, and emergency kits. Zero Breeze. Our third incredible invention for camping is Zero Breeze. It is a portable air conditioner. You can run it with wall power. Plug it into the wall using the 240-watt power adapter included and create a local cooling space at any time as long as you want. You can run it with a battery. Run the AC unit with your 24-volt battery supply, or run the AC unit with our one battery for 3 to 5 hours of portable usage. It is an easy option to cool down your pets or installed at their homes. Working outdoors? This is an amazing invention to make you cool down. It moves freely, has support solar charging, upgrades your RV or rest in the truck. It cools you down without any water or ice requirement. Zero Breeze has a 24-volt adaptive frequency microcompressor. This weighs only 16.5 pounds, smaller than half the size of traditional portable air conditioners. Helio. Our number 1 incredible invention for camping is Helio. Helio is a water pressure system unlike any other gravity camp showers. Helio is a pressurized shower and sprayer rests. It is not like gravity showers, which produce dismal water pressure. The award-winning Helio portable pressurized shower provides the pressure you need to wash hair, wash dishes, rinse off gear, water plants, or wash debris. It can quickly and easily pressurize the 2.9-gallon tank with a foot pump. That can keep it fully pressurized for 5 to 7 minutes for continuous spraying. The 7-foot neoprene hose is long enough to hold it overhead for a shower or to reach all angles of dirty gear, muddy paws, or salty wetsuits. If you would like to see more of these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Vault Tech Infotainment.